flood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got
Real quick, guys, today I am going to share with you guys this powerful analysis that you are seeing right now on my chart. This particular video or this particular tutorial is actually for those of you that have been asking me what strategy am I going to use to grow my $10 account, my $15 account, my $20 account, and all that. Guys, I want to make this clear. All right, just pay very close attention, because this particular video that you are watching right now is not going to be long. I just wanted to clarify something here. All right, so, and what I want to let you guys know is this: if you do not know what I am going to share with you guys here right now, there is no way you are going to make any money from any account size that you're holding. If you like, hold $10,000 account, hold $50,000 account, or even hold $100,000 account, and if you do not know all these things that I want to point out here, there is no way you are going to make a dime from it. You will continue playing gamble with your hard-earned money. All right, so now most of you that have been asking me, what strategy can I use to grow my $10 account, my $15 account, and all that? Guys, look at this here. What are you seeing here? This is $14. All right, this is $14 account, and then look at the profit here. All right, so now I am going to share with you guys what you need to do for you to be able to start getting a sniper entry just like this. Look at where I opened this position, guys. All right, so now look at where I marked for TP1. That is take profit 1, and this is take profit 2, which this particular position that is currently running is I set my TP at TP2, and that particular TP2 is going to give me $125 after this particular running position might have hit my TP here. I am going to make $125 from this particular $14 account that you are seeing right now that is running. And look at my stop loss here. I made mention of you not using stop loss when trading boom and crash for a purpose, for a reason. And the reason is this: most of you do not know how to analyze boom and crash. Most of you do not know how to trade or analyze any of the pair, in fact, and you will just jump into this particular place and you open a position, and after opening a position, you will just jump and set your stop loss anywhere that you like. Now, why I used this stop loss is the fact that I have been following this particular crash 500 since yesterday morning. I followed it till this early morning. All right, before opening this particular position. Why have I been following this? I am doing this because I wanted to see the particular place that this particular crash 500 is going to exhaust the power of sell. So, and I followed this up, and it gets to the same zone here, and it seems that it has exhausted it. And when I cross-checked it on my laptop and I run the top-down analysis, all the analysis that I run, all of them are pointing at this zone. That is to say, nothing will make this crash 500 to start going back down right now. It might go back down later on, but not now. For now, it's going to correct this particular move that you are seeing right now. It's going to correct it, and after correcting it, it will now come back. That is just the same pattern that this market has been doing. As you can see right now, look at the $14 account and look at how much the $14 is generating right now. All right, with the same analysis that I'm showing you. All right, so now this particular trade that is running on this $14 account here, I purposely created this this particular account and fund it with $14 so that I will show you guys that are having doubt within yourself that if you can do or trade if you can make something out of $10 or $15, $20 account, you can actually make a lot of money from $10 account if you follow all these things around I have been saying. I keep saying this, that whenever you want to trade any particular pair, be sure to run your top-down analysis. After running your top-down analysis, be sure to pick your sniper entry. And how are you going to know all these things? There is no way you will watch a bunch of YouTube videos and you'll be telling me that you can trade profitably with that. I am not saying that it is bad, but the fact remains that you really need to learn how to do this profitably and successfully if you really want to take this as a work. But if you want to be using it as part-time to pastime, or you are using it as a side hustle, you can do whatever you like. You can be continue playing gamble with your hard-earned money. But if you want to start making real cash with any account size that they have, I advise every one of you that are watching this right now, it's high time you embark or enroll on mentorship program, because it's only a mentor that knows what he or she is doing that is going to tell you and point out where you are going to do something like this. Look at this here. I am not saying it is not necessary that you are going to enroll with me. I normally say that you can enroll with any other person, any other mentor out there. Just be sure to acquire the necessary knowledge. Be sure to acquire the necessary tips and the tricks that is needed to trade any of these pairs. All right, so it can only take who knows how to trade synthetic indices to guide you on how to do this. Look at this sniper entry, guys. All right, most of you will be asking, how did I manage to know that this is the best place for me to open this trade? Right, as I said earlier on, I've been following this pair since yesterday. That is why I keep saying that when you are trading any of these pair, patience is the key. Right, so you just have to exercise patience, and you wait for the market to get to the particular zone that you want it to before opening a position. Stop chasing a trade, guys. Stop chasing a trade. Learn how to allow trade to come to you. So after doing that, you'll be able to have confidence and open something. Okay, now you'll be asking, why is it that I'm using $14? I am using that because I wanted most of you that have been complaining that you cannot make something out of $10, $15, $20 account, or you cannot make something out of it, to know that you can actually make something out of $10 account. Now, the same $10 that you are, the same $10 to $15 account that you have been complaining of, look at it here. You can see $22 already made from the strategy, and then look at the account size here. You can see $14 there. All right, so now when you look at this here, you will see that this is where I am expecting my take profit. All right, I set my take profit at take profit 2, and this is the take profit 3 here. So if I should allow this trade to get to this take profit trade, that is to say I'm going to make 200 and something dollar from $10 account, you'll be asking, why is it not spiking against this guy? Yes, it's not spiking because I have been following this and I've run my top-down analysis. And how are you going to run your top-down analysis? Look at 4-hour time frame. As you can see this here, look at 4-hour time frame here. All right, I started this analysis from daily time frame, and when I checked my daily time frame, I saw many things there. Look at this here. Now when you look at this, you'll be asking yourself, yes, this is, look at everything here. Look at where that take profit falling. You see that? Now look at my opening position. You can see this is my opening position, and look at my stop loss here. Now when you look at this here, you will see that this particular pair has exhausted all the sales power that it has. Look at this here. All right, now look at all these different rejection at this zone. All right, and again he moved back up here, he come back to this place again and rejected again and start going up. That is when I open that position. Now this particular thing that you are seeing, this particular chain that you are seeing here, you can see that this is like a formation of W. You can see this here. This is the neck, and this is the second completion of neck, and the movement of the second leg. That is what I picked, guys. That is what I picked. So now I've seen this on higher time frame, and when I come back to 4 hours, look at what I'm saying. Then when you go back to probably 15-minute time frame, you will be seeing this. You will see that I've marked different trend line, different support and resistance. I analyzed this full time on my laptop, guys. I analyzed this full time on my laptop, and I came to realize that this is the best zone for me to open this position. So that is why you see this. So for you to learn how to do this, I am going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this particular video that you are watching right now. I mean serious minded people that are ready to pay and learn. All right, do not come and ask me, can you help me? After this I will pay you. this is what you need to sacrifice to get what you want. All right, so it's as simple as that. I mean, serious minded people. All right, the minimum that I charge for mentorship program is $50. So it is not necessary or mandatory that you are going to enroll with me. As I said earlier on, you can enroll with someone else, or you can enroll somewhere else, and be sure to acquire the necessary knowledge for you to start making real cash. You can make a lot of money. You can make any amount that you wish to make if you follow all these instructions. All right, so I'm going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description of this video if you want me to mentor you on how to trade synthetic indices, how to trade boom and crash and volatility 75 index profitably and successfully, and how you are going to be getting signals by yourself. I am going to leave my WhatsApp number in the description. Imagine you getting something like this, and then you allow the trade to run to this zone as well. You are going to make a lot of money from that your $10 account. So without knowing all these things, there is no way you are going to make. You will just open a position in anywhere that you want at the in the middle of this particular chart, and you set a stop loss that is not going to work, because when you set your stop loss at the wrong zone, that is when once it spike, it's going to take you out of trade. But nothing is going to push this market to spike to this zone here. All right, both of us have seen where the whole the whole idea was coming from. So that is how you are going to make a lot of money from this particular for trading synthetic indices. All right, so just as I said earlier on, if you want me to mentor you on how to go do this profitably and successfully and be making money like this, be sure to use the number that I'm going to leave in the description of this video, and let me know, and I'm going to send you the breakdown on how to get started right away. All right, so as soon as I receive your message, I'm going to respond to your message right away. So that is how it is. And also, I'm going to leave the link to my books in the description of this video. If you do not have money to enroll on mentorship program, is necessary you grab the copy, grab the copy of those books, and go through it. All right, those books are going to assist you. They are going to help you and point out as well where you are going to open a position as well. All right, so go through it, and it will teach you a lot that you need to know about synthetic indices or synthetic trading. All right, so that is how it is, guys. And also be sure to smash that like button if you are getting value from this. And also, if you want to help others that have not seen this particular video right now to get to know about this video, be sure to smash that like button. It's very, very important. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button as well, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I share content like this, you will be among the first that YouTube is going to pop a notification to that I've shared another powerful value that is going to help you make a lot of money from the market. So that is how it is, guys. And also, as you can see right now, there is nothing to share here. There is no strategy to share here. What you are seeing right here on my screen, all this arrow that you are seeing, is just a flat tie, and with how to use that flat tie and get the sniper entry as well, I am going to combine that together and sent to you as your class. All right, so it's as simple as that. And also, I have a lot of videos teaching you how to use Friday to get a sniper entry. So in this particular channel, so be sure to search for it and locate it and watch it. All right, so that is how it is, guys. Signing out. All it is. Peace.